Have you got an Optrel Swiss Air PAPR system that won't turn on? Let's walk you through how to get it out of safety mode and get you back in action. When you turn the unit on by pressing the power button, you'll hear 3 beeps. This means your system is auto-calibrating for the correct airflow, no need for manual adjustments. This feature ensures your safety and saves time. But sometimes, even with a fully charged battery, you'll press the button and nothing happens. That's because the system has gone into safety mode. To conserve power, the battery enters into a sleep mode. If left idle for longer, it completely shuts down into safety mode. This prevents the unit from accidentally turning on during storage or travel. So it's fully charged, ready when you need it. To reset, make sure the battery is inside the unit. Next, connect the charger like this and then plug it into the wall. Press the power button and your unit will turn back on. Now unplug the charging cable and you're ready to go. This mode not only protects your safety, but also keeps your Optrel Swiss Air fresh and ready when you need it. Your Optrel Swiss Air is fully certified to AS NZS 1716 2012.